In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Wistia video in Shopify. Let's start on the Wistia side. First, log into your Wistia account and open the specific video you want to feature on your store. Inside the videos page, look for the Embed and Share option. This is where Wistia gives you the snippet you'll place in Shopify. When the embed options appear, choose the standard, also called inline embed. If you see a setting for responsive sizing, enable it. Responsive means the video will scale to fit screens of different sizes, which is ideal for phones, tablets, and desktops without you needing separate versions. Once the settings look good, click Copy Code. That copies the full embed code to your clipboard, and that's exactly what we'll paste into your theme. Now head over to your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you're working on, and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can place the video exactly where you want it to appear, whether that's the home page, a product page, a collection page, or even a blog post template. Navigate to the specific page or template using the editor's top navigation or sidebar. When you're at the right spot, click Add Block or Add Section, depending on your theme's layout. You're looking for something called Custom Liquid. If your theme doesn't show that, an HTML block is also fine. Both options let you paste code safely. Select the block, then paste the Wistia embed code you copied earlier right into that field. You don't need to modify the code. Wistia provides everything needed to load and display the video, including the script tag and the container. If your theme supports alignment or width controls for the block, feel free to adjust those to match your design. After pasting the code, click Save in the Theme Editor. Saving applies your changes and makes the video available on the selected page. If you enabled the responsive setting in Wistia, the video should automatically adapt to your theme's content width and look good on mobile devices. If you don't see the video immediately in the preview, give it a moment to load, as the Wistia script may need a second to initialize. That's it. You grabbed the responsive embed from Wistia, placed it in a custom liquid or HTML block in Shopify, and saved your changes. With this approach, you keep the video hosted on Wistia for performance and analytics while displaying it seamlessly inside your Shopify theme.